Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a wind vane working model. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need a piece of cardboard, a pencil, and a drinking straw. Also, make sure you have scissors, some tape, and a pushpin ready. A compass will be very useful later to accurately mark the cardinal directions on your base, ensuring your model works perfectly. Now, let's craft the arrow part of your wind vane. Carefully cut out 2 arrow shapes from your cardboard, one for the pointed head and another for the wider tail. Next, attach these cardboard pieces to each end of your straw using tape. It's important to ensure the straw remains balanced after attaching the arrow parts, as this affects its rotation. For the base, take a sturdy piece of cardboard and make sure it's flat and stable. Carefully insert a pencil vertically into the exact center of this base, securing it firmly. This pencil will act as the pivot point. Now, gently place the straw with your attached arrow onto the eraser end of the pencil, allowing it to spin freely. It's time to test your completed wind vane. Take it outside to an open area and observe how it responds to the wind. The arrow should freely rotate and consistently point towards the direction from which the wind is blowing. This simple model effectively demonstrates how wind direction is measured. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.